So I'm going to fire up my server. This is just a local host server. It runs on my local machine. K-Sui Gaming test server. You come once you've got your local server installed. To launch it, there's a little fxserver.exe. You double click that, and it will fire up the server. If everything goes right, take it a second maybe. Okay, so here it goes. It's firing up, and then you can go to your Internet Explorer, and there's a local host. You can log into your local host. This local host :4120. If you follow the instructions to install the test server, that'll be your port that you're using is 4120/login. You log in with your CFXRE identifier, and then you can monitor the console. So this is basically this, except the TX admin console is more easy to use than this, and it's easier to read too. So I'm going to grab a drink while this launches up. I'll be right back. All right, perfect timing. I just got back and she's done. Whenever you have a local host, whenever you launch FiveM, it's going to have a little box that you can click on the top left of your screen. That's how you log into your local server. You'll see that in just a second. So you can see right here it says connect to desktop. That's my local server. So just click that, dude. We'll log in. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't have Steam open. Open Steam. I'm on. Oh shit! Did my mic go off again?
Nope, you're good.
Fuck.
You're good.
I saw I had a message over here, and I was like, oh shit. Man, that I gotta keep an eye on that. That would suck if my mic shut off. Holy shit, that would be terrible. All this talking. How's everybody doing? Everybody's learning stuff.
Yeah. Like I said, big learning.
All right, so now that I got Steam running, I'll be able to log in, hopefully. Man, I had planned on this being an hour and a half, and we're 2 hours in, so thank you all for bearing with me on the first class here. Hopefully I haven't beat any dead horses too badly. Okay, what is going on? This is taking too long. Something's wrong. Oh, it just took it a long time. Okay. Okay, I was here troubleshooting something. All right, so I'm gonna go to admin, And I'm going to teleport to chords. And what chords do I want? I want the chords from my config file. These are good here. Okay, so I'm in the digital, I'm in the, what's this place called? The Life Invader. Okay, where the hell is mod? Mod's not here. And my target's not there. Okay, so something's wrong. Aha! Lesson 1. Add box zone and resource random interaction point. What? Alright, so we have an error. I don't know what the hell that means though. Let's see. Oh, somehow I copied and pasted something in the wrong spot. Hold on. I can see where this is the problem is. This should not be random interaction point. This should be QB target. I don't know how that got screwed up. But target. Yeah, it should be just like this one. There we go. Okay, so we fixed that. That's good. You can see how to troubleshoot. You'll always get an error message somewhere. And so I'm going to ensure Keisui lesson 1. All right, it launched, no error messages. Now you'll notice there's no mod there. That's because I used that on player loaded. I'm already in the game, and so that script hasn't launched yet. So I have to log out, and then whenever I log back in, that'll be on player loaded. So I'm loading in now, and the script is going to be running. Let me see if I can flip over and see it. That's it. That's Keisui Addiction's got some error messages. Let me do stop Keisui Addiction just so we don't get any more error messages. Okay. All right. So remember we turned the debugs on. There's Mod, and she's got the targets on her: pay fee and ask for a refund. And I had the debug set to true, and so that's why you see the polyzone. You can see the Mod's inside the polyzone box. And she's I can't interact with her. I can't hurt her because she's invincible and she's locked in place, so she's good to go. And then this box zone over here is my other interaction. So basically I said, hey, this magazine looks like a good place for a target. And so there's my target on the magazine. And let's see here. Nothing there. Let's look at the server log. I'll put a little note here. Test. No such command, but I'm just putting that there so you can see what happens next. So I'm going to tell Mod that I'm going to ask for a refund. Let's do that. And she's telling me, you see the top right, it says refund timer expired. Technically, it hadn't expired. I had never deposited anything, but that's the message that we told it to give. And the QB core debug data, this is what was printed. It was sent the ask for refund label, type is client, event is ask for refund. It's number 3 from the selections. We had that parameter in there that was just additional. This entity, that's Mod's entity ID, network entity ID. And then the icon is the clipboard, and that is what you see. Apparently clipboard, I don't have the right identifier for the clipboard icon because I don't have any icon there. So if your FAS icon reference is wrong, you'll just have the text and you won't have an icon, which is fine. So this time I'm going to pay her $100. You can see it subtracted $100 from my account. It says I paid the fee. If I go over to the server log, you'll see it passed the data that I paid the fee. It was a server type event. There was the pay fee event. I was in position 2, params, everything else. So that's just all the data from the config file. It gets passed every time you use the target. I can ask her for a refund because it hasn't been a minute yet, and she gives me $100 back. If I ask her for another one, she tells me it's expired because we reset it to 0 whenever that happened. And server, yeah. So there's the last 2 clicks that I did. And that's it. That's lesson 1 in the bag, in the books. I don't know. Guys, give me feedback for lesson number 2. I haven't decided what we're going to do for lesson 2 yet, but you can go out and start making your own QB targets now. Tomorrow I'm going to post this tutorial to the YouTube, and it's going to have the links to the script that I just wrote so that you can reference it. It's going to have some the PowerPoint presentation. I don't know if was there anything else on the PowerPoint I needed to do. I think that was it. Oh yeah, so the PowerPoint's also got the links. So the PowerPoint will be on there also, and you'll be able to this has got hyperlinks to everything that you need. You can click those, and I'm also going to reference the tutorial for how to set up your local server that you can follow, and that's it. Thank you all for attending and your patience and paying attention or whatever. I assume you were, and not just gaming or whatever. But yeah, I can answer any questions, or you can get the hell out of here. Whatever you want to do. Is my mic dead?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, people are typing.
You're good.
Okay. Where are they typing at? I can go look now.
In the chat,
In the
of the
chat.
community meeting chat.
Community meeting chat.
Or I mean, dev training chat, whatever.
I don't know where that's at.
Just click on the channel you're in right now, and then there's a chat box.
What? Oh.
It's open chat.
Oh. Okay.
He codes, guys, but Discord's hard for him, so.
I don't. Discord is not my forte. I don't know.